Good morning, everybody. Now, I know the light isn't great, but it is currently, let me see 1 second, 5:15 in the morning. We had an early night last night because we've got to get up and we're going to Datalna today. We've got to get a bus at 5 o'clock, which means I need to order a grab in the next 10-15 minutes. But wow, look, there's so many people. I don't know if you can actually see, but there's people buzzing around everywhere. It looks like the sunrise is going to be beautiful as well. But yeah, like I say, we're on our way to Datalna today. We're going to go on an ALPINE coaster, maybe some zip lining, and then tomorrow we make our way up to Yakdon National Park, which is basically an elephant safari as such. They walk around in nature sort of thing. We get on a buggy ride to go and find them, so should be fun. But for now, I'll catch you at the bus stop. See you in a bit. Bengi! Yo, so you can't see them. You might be able to hear them though. I thought there was loads of birds here and they were just really aggressive, but one just flew right in front of me here on the balcony. And the bloody bats, there's loads of them, they're everywhere. But obviously it's too dark, you can't see them on the camera, but wow, there's loads of them. So at this hotel that we're at, there's a little dog outside. She's a lovely little thing she is. Look, here you go. Hey, she's pregnant, mate. Leave her alone. You can't do that. Hello, doggo. Hello. Look at you. Wait, no. I know you like to play, but no biting. No biting. No. It'd be good, like your sister, I think. And then you got another one over there. Look, she's really nice too. Hey, come on, be good. Be good. So yeah, hello, doggy. See you in a bit. Waiting for the cab now. Yeah, we're on our way to Datalna. That was a hotel for the night. Sansu. It cost us a total of £6 each. Hey, too early for that. Don't know if I can put that on YouTube. We'll see. See you in a bit. So, we made it to the bus. We left early as well. Like 10 minutes early. And look, we got the whole bus to ourselves. Me and the old man. But yeah, I'm gonna do some editing for you guys. And yeah, we're 5 hours on here. And like I say, it's just me and Dad. It's well comfy. Got my feet all the way down there. We got a little blankie for if it gets cold, which I don't see it being possible. And yeah. See you in 5 hours. So, after 3.5 hours so far, we've still got further to go. But we've got a little stop off at a viewpoint. Have a look at this. This is welcome. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Taking a picture. Yeah, take a picture. But yeah, look at this. It's mad. You ready? Beautiful. We've got the old boys fishing down there. I don't think they're going to catch much in there though, are they? They aren't, are they? Really?
As much, are they?
Props for trying though.
Yeah, true.
I guess I got nothing better to do. But hey, it's a beautiful view.
Wow. I didn't expect it. Like half asleep, wow.
Yeah. Same. I needed a wee more than anything. But yeah, I'll get you when we get to Datalna. So I've been sat here for a few minutes and like, it is just mesmerizing. Just look at that. Obviously the camera isn't going to do it justice. But along the way up here, there's basically It's a long, windy road. I mean, you can kind of see it there. But they're doing road works, they're building a new road. So most of the roads cut off and they've made like little side roads. And obviously we're on a big bus, so it's a pain in the ass. You gotta keep going around. And yeah, it's not a nice journey. I did sleep for a lot of it though. This sleeper bus is way comfier than the other one from yesterday. Like, my feet actually don't touch the edge, so I can actually proper stretch out. Whereas yesterday I was stuck. I couldn't get to the end. My feet were touching the end. And yeah, it wasn't very comfy, but it was only 4 hours. Today's is 5 hours. We've got about an hour and a bit left. So, not that long. But yeah, when we get to Dalat, we've just got to go to the hotel, drop our bags off. It'll be too early for check-in, but we're going to the ALPINE coaster, which I'm buzzing for. I can't wait for that. That's going to be so much fun. I hope I'm not disappointed. But from all the reviews I've seen, it does look really, really, really good. And yeah. But for now, I'm just going to take in the views. Vietnam for you. Can't complain. Hey, guys on the motorbike. This place is mental. But hey, what can you do? Just enjoy it. See you in a bit. Fingers. So that last little bit of the journey wasn't even that bad, really. It kind of just flew by. We went past the roller coaster on the way. It looks massive. Well, not a roller coaster, you know what I mean. I don't know, the ALPINE thing. Yeah, it looks really, really cool. Look how many buses are here. So now we're just gonna, Dad's gone toilet, and then we're gonna book our tickets for tomorrow. And then head to the hotel, drop our bags. I need to get some money out too. I'm running low. I've only got $1 million left. $1 million. And yeah, I'll probably get back to you at the roller coaster unless something fun happens along the way. See you in a bit. So finally we're on our way. We just went for something to eat in a hot pot place. First time I've ever had a hot pot in a Taiwanese hot pot place. Not my cup of tea, but hey. But look at this, it looks like it's gonna chuck it down. Proper thunderstorm, but we're going that way. To the ALPINE coaster. So, ooh, that's fun too. Cool. But yeah, this town, Dalat, is really nice. Don't know, there's loads of flowers and gardens, and there's still loads of beeping everywhere, but hey, you get used to that. But yeah, we're in a Grab now, on our way. I'll catch you when we're there. Bingies! I'm on it. Yeah. It says don't use a selfie stick though, so I don't keep it here in my bag until we get around the corner. I'll tell you what, some people here are well rude, they just bumped right in front of me. But hey, what can we do? Rude. So yeah, we're off. He's going to explain to me what to do. And then, but it's pretty straightforward. There's a brake, go. Well, it goes because it's downhill. And then we brake. And then we go super fast, super fast. Go, stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah, he's flying. Ready? Go. Gotta hold it down. If not, it's not gonna go. So we go like that. And then as soon as we get around this corner, I take you out and we go, way! Look at that! Way! Woo! Gonna catch that up quick. Oh, I just braked. Whoa! Whoa! He's gone already, mate. Oh, it auto brakes, that's annoying. I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but it keeps braking. Someone must have stopped at the front. Stop being dumbass, just go. Go, 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 go. Whee! Why is everyone stopping? Come on. Oh, it made me stop. Everyone's bloody... It must be an old granny or something. Tell her to go. Wait. Go, go, go. Go on, lady. Put it down. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get... Oh. Oh, man. There's an old lady stopped at the front. Go on, let go, woman. Bloody driving. I was flying the whole way. It says brake, but nah, I'm going, mate. Oh, it brakes you automatically. Yeah, I'm stopping here for a minute. There's no one coming behind yet. Let them all go. There's an old lady sat at the front. She's an idiot. I mean, to say that, I'm sat here with my selfie stick, even though I'm not meant to, but... Right, go, go, go. People coming behind me now. Hey, let's go. Yay! It's well cool. Yeah, buddy! Oh, why are they stopping again? It would be fun if people would go. It's automatically stopping me, man. Oh man, go, 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 go! Whee! Go on. Oh, there's a bloody traffic jam. I think this is the end, you know. It was fun while it lasted. Mother clockers. Oh, there's someone here. Oh, I think that's it. Bloody hell. There we go, there we go, there we go. Everybody stop. It's a lovely waterfall. Well, we're stuck here now. Yeah. Going down to the waterfall. Oh, I'm not even moving this. We'll see. Yeah, look, waterfall. Great. And then, I don't know, we're going up a hill there. Apparently, I don't know what's going on. It's well annoying that there was an old lady in front though. I wouldn't have gone on the brake at all. Flown all the way. Come on, let me go. Let me go. Come on. I guess it gives everybody enough space and stuff, doesn't it? Okay, so we go up to the top of them stairs, and there's more stairs. No, I'm joking. There's that little piece over there. Oh, look at all the rubbish accumulated there in the corner. You think you got all these tourists coming here, paying for, I mean, it's not much for us, but for them, that's a lot of money. It's 250,000 dongs. You'd think they'd pay someone to go down there and clean that up every day, wouldn't you? You know. But hey, I guess most people don't see it, they just walk past it. But I see everything. See you at the top. I know you can only really show so many waterfalls, but wow, look at it. It's mad. Crazy. Lovely and crazy all at the same time. A little bit like me. Yeah. Oh, this place is mental. Like, it just keeps going. Oh look, King Kong. Haha, Gorilla Man. Big Gorilla Man. Ooh. Even the floor is like a tree trunk. You know, not cement. A lot of it. Ooh. What's up here? A bottle. Little deck and chairs. Yeah. Over here. Okay, that's alright. This is awesome. So glad that we paid £7 to come in here. That's mental. Best £7 I've spent on this trip so far, I think. It's lovely. Everywhere you go. It's nice stuff. Everywhere. See, look, I told you, they're cheating. They just spray the water in. It's getting wet here. Bloody King Kong, isn't it?
Quay. Cái leo đi cánh tay của con nó đứng là anh giật ra tắm. Đúng luôn á.
It's a big waterfall. I'm all wet now. Hang on up here. Maybe just stop in the way. Okay, I'll go around here. That's flamingo. Yeah. More flamingos. And an Indian. Yeah, look. King Kong. A big one. A big monkey. Big monkey man. I ain't going up there though. Takes too long. For that. For that. Stepping cobblestone. Pretty cool. Sorry, mate. Yep. Waterfall. Everybody's in the way because they keep stopping to take silly pictures. I guess you're only here once. £7, you gotta get your money's worth, get your picture for your Instagram. Yeah, she's got wrong shoes on. Look. She'd go fall over. I'm gonna laugh. She obviously didn't know she was coming to a waterfall today. Alright, shall we head up?
Is that couple we were on the bus?
Yeah. He laughed at my joke when I said them guys are fishing. They're not going to catch anything in there.
I thought, what's down here?
Yeah, I saw that his missus first.
He got changed as well.
Yeah, they're not like us. We went to the hotel, dropped the stuff off and just came out as we are. And yeah, we went for a hot pot, which meh. I'm not really a fan of cooking my own meal in a bloody restaurant. And it was my first time, like I've never done a hot pot before, and nobody explains to you what you're meant to do. Like, I don't know, we ordered a load of meat and some dumplings, because you know, dumplings. So. And then, we'll keep going up. That one, innit? And yeah, and we ordered it. You got to do it all on a tablet, it's all fancy and stuff. And then she came over to us after they brought all of the meats and was like, oh yeah, you need to get a hot pot too. And we were like, nah. And she was like, no, you need one. I was like, oh, okay. So I had a Taiwan one. She said it's very spicy. I was like, very spicy. She was like, yeah. It wasn't. I've had hotter curries. I think she's just used to white people not, you know, not handling the spice. But no, it was really nice. I mean, it was going to be, I cooked it. And then she asked me for a tip. I'm like, what for? For bringing me the food. So yeah, oh, archery game. Let's go have a look. I like.
Up first, come back down.
Oh, can we go up and down?
Of course you can.
Well, we'll go find out. Oh, there you go. The screen went off. True. Oh, I wasn't going to go on the coaster. I was going to go on the archery game.
Go up to see what there is.
Yeah, true.
Because it keeps on giving in this place.
It does. It's best £7 we've spent so far.
Your cereal one.
Cool.
3 jars. You get 2 jars.
It's 50,000 dong. It's like £1.30, 20, something like that. So I'm gonna have Dad told me GoPro for me because I can't shoot an arrow and hit it while holding the GoPro. And can you hold that as well?
Yeah.
Oh wait, let me get 50,000 first.
Let me stop it.
No, keep it going. It's all good. I want to show them what 50. So look, that's 50,000. There you go. Thank you. Yeah. 8 shots. Any.
One hit, one bottle white.
Does it work or is it broken?
Right, left.
I'm right. Right. Best to take off. Which one? Which is the good one?
This to left.
Thank you. I'm on. Any?
Any. Very practice.
Yeah, they're the 2-3 ones.
Well, you got 8.
Yeah. You're gonna need them.
So for everybody at home, we're not watching Robin Hood. More like Maid Marian.
Yeah, too good. Tell me now I've got 3 left. Ooh, better. He was right, he should have told me that I'm number 1. I'll get that one back. And that one. Come on. Well, I'm glad I don't need to hunt deer for dinner. Thank you. Oh, we're back on the coast on the way up. Way. Yeah, there you go. We had a little butchers around. We walked up to the top. It was, yeah, just up to the top. So we came back down. Saw a dinosaur. And now, just getting a lift back up because we can't be bothered to walk. This is steep, this is. But it's cool. We got Dad over there at the back, somewhere, I think. So yeah, let's see how long it takes to get back up. It's well cool. The trees look sideways, but I realise it's me, I'm sideways, aren't I? But yeah, if you are coming here, make sure you wear trainers or comfy shoes. Don't wear flip-flops. And if you're wearing your Crocs, put them in sports mode, trust me. Trust me, you need them in sports mode. There's a lot of walking. If you want to see it all, you can literally just come down the coaster and jump straight back on and go up, but that's just boring. There's loads of stuff to see here. But look at the views. The one thing I'm gutted about though is we didn't get to do the zip lining because it's closing now. We came a bit too late in all fairness, but it's all good, no problem. And yeah, we had a beer down there as well. They did sell beer in the end. We found one that was open because the original one was closed. Yeah, someone just flew by. Like, they say you're not allowed to use selfie sticks or cameras, but every single person I've seen go past has got either a camera or a selfie stick, so don't worry too much about it. Mine was just here in front. Right, I got a little bag, and yeah, it was in there. Release the brake. Oh, we got a little... Oh, we're going again. Way. Oh yeah, yes, there's more coaster. Sweet. I didn't know there'd gonna be more coaster. Release the brake, come on. Brake, go, 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 go. I gotta hide it a bit because there's people there. But yeah, we're going again. Wee! Wee! Yeah, boy! Let's go! Yeah! Sweet! I didn't know we could go again! Woo! Oh, it stops me again automatically. Woohoo! Yeah, river! Oh, slow. Oh. Is that it? Or is it just telling me to slow down a bit? It says slow, not stop, mate. Oh. Oh. Yeah, we slow down again. Now we're going back up. Right, I'm on a conveyor. Oh no, not yet. And now I'm on the conveyor. Oh, so you get to get a nice view of all of this stuff. More waterfall. Yeah. Waterfall, there you go. Boop. Everybody stop. No, I'm not gonna be mean. But yeah, that was awesome. Like a little bit, it wasn't much. Hopefully we get another little bit, that'd be cool. That was a little surprise. I thought it was just gonna be all the way up. Like this. Down there. All the waterfall. It is a beautiful place. Like, definitely, if you are in Dalat, or if you're not coming to Dalat, come to Dalat, and it's worth it just for this. I mean, from what we saw of the town as well, the town looks great. Now we're going to go explore a little bit of that tonight. Not too much because we've got to be up early in the morning. We got another, I think it's 6-hour bus up to the Yakdon Elephant Park. Well, actually we go to a town first, and then we need to get like about an hour grab, which will take us all the way to the thingy. And we're actually staying in the reserve, so that's going to be cool. It's going to be fun. It's a little bit complicated to book. We're not sure if we booked it properly, but basically we want to go stay there the night and then do the tour in the morning, and then we're going to leave and head down to, I believe, Da Nang, which is about 11-hour bus ride, but I'm not 100% sure on that. We'll see tomorrow when we book it, because yeah, we're just booking stuff daily and don't really need to book in advance. Like here, we just rocked up and yeah, it was all good. There's no problem at all. Got here at about 2:30. It closes at 5, but they do stop you from doing stuff at, like we walked up and we went to come back down and the gate was closed, but the guy, I just said to the guy, I got a ticket though, and he was like, oh sorry, it came over, and like yeah, it was really apologetic, and yeah, he let us go through. So yeah, and then we got to the bottom and we could buy a beer there, which was really weird. We couldn't buy a beer in the middle because the woman had closed up, but then right at the bottom it was still good to go. Woo, camera again. I keep getting a photo taken. I ain't buying it. You can start right off. I got GoPro in my hand. But yeah, I think we're at the top now. It's a nice little ride up actually. Yeah, we're done now. So yeah, love ya, leave ya, and I'm pretty sure that's the end of the vlog today. So, see you maybe tomorrow. I mean, vlogs are taking me a while to edit because obviously I'm doing stuff. But yeah, love you loads. See you next time.